Crispy on the outside, soft and protein packed on the inside. These cottage cheese protein cookies are the perfect quick snack or post-workout treat to fuel your fitness goals. With just 5 ingredients, they're easy to make and you'll never need to buy those pricey store-bought protein cookies again. I'll show you how to make the recipe right now. We'll prepare the wet ingredients first. Start with a blender or food processor jar. Add 1 cup of 4% milk fat cottage cheese. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. You can use a different sweetener like maple syrup if you prefer. Place the lid on, grab your blender or food processor base, power it on, and then blend everything together until it's smooth. If you find the mixture sticking to the sides of your jar, pause it and use a spatula to scrape the sides. Then continue blending. It should have a thick and creamy pudding-like consistency once it's done. Now we'll mix our remaining ingredients in a large bowl. I already have 1 cup of almond flour in here. You can use oat flour if you prefer, but you might need to add some extra milk if your dough is too thick. Add your blended cottage cheese and honey mixture into the bowl. And finally, add half a cup of vanilla protein powder. Mix everything together. It should form a thick and cohesive dough. If the dough is too dry or too thick to mix, add a small amount of milk. Add 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. I'm using sugar-free chocolate chips sweetened with monk fruit here. Gently fold them in with a spatula. We'll be making these cookies in the air fryer, but I'll give you the baking temperature and time for the oven as well. Grab your air fryer and place it on the counter. Give your air fryer basket a light spray of oil. Using a cookie scoop, scoop about 1 to 2 tablespoons worth of your dough and place it in your air fryer basket. Repeat this process until you're out of your mixture. As you can see here, I was able to make 9 cookies with this recipe. Spray the back of your cookie scoop or spoon with oil, then press down on the dough to flatten it in the shape of a cookie. Place your air fryer basket in your air fryer. Then set your air fryer to 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. I'm going with 10 minutes for this one. If you plan on baking these in the oven, bake them on 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. After about 10 minutes in the air fryer, they should be nice and golden brown. If you don't want yours too brown or crispy, I would recommend cooking these closer to 7 or 8 minutes. And you're set to serve your cottage cheese protein cookies. If you're looking for more of a crunch with your cookies, add 1/4 to half a cup of crushed nuts to your mixture. Store these in an airtight container for up to 5 days in the fridge. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.